my bearded people, and those that have a bearded person in their life, we have a holiday that's coming up. Actually, today, the day of this video, is May 11th, which is my birthday. That is true, but that's not what this video is about. Of course, we have Father's Day coming up. Now, that's a big kind of bearded day, right? Men, fathers, beards, they all go together. I wanted to go over a gift option, whether it's for yourself, that Treat Yourself Fund, or if you're shopping for someone in your life, whether you're someone who subscribes to this channel, you care for your beard, and you have a dad, you have an uncle, you have somebody in your life that you're like, they're just not into beard care, this would make it simple for them. Or maybe there's a lady that's watching and they're searching to get something for their husband, for their father. I want to show you guys, and again, I'll let this do all the talking. This is the Beard Octane company, and it is their Beard Starter Kit. Now, first check, you guys know me, we have to drop a comment if you know what we have to check here. Is it slappable? The answer is yes. This is packed perfectly here, you guys. And this is one thing, right? You just order the kit and you're able to deliver it to someone, whether they have been taking care of their beard for years or if they're just getting started, this is the perfect kit for them. And I really mean that. So you open it up here, beautifully packaged. We have some information. And then in here with these custom inserts, you have 4 sample oils of the most popular scents, or some of the most popular scents by Beard Octane. And you can see this right here, a really good size oil. Even a beard of my size, this is gonna last me several applications. So we have 4 of them, kind of ranging in the like cologne world. So the first one is Positive Charge, which is my collab. It's like a grapefruit citrus cologne. It's wonderful. Liquid Gold, that's oud. That is everybody's first love. We have Envy, that is on that kind of more traditional, sweeter type cologne. And then the one that I just put back without the logo showing is Cold Start, which is my most used oil. And that is just pure essential oils of like mint. Think of like invigorating senses. Really nice blend there. Then you have a sample size of their beard butter and their beard balm. That beard butter is going to be to soften and nourish the beard. I recommend using it at night. And then beard balm is for the styling. It's very similar to the butter, but you add in some beeswax so they can lock in some flyaways. And then over here, we have their beard wash and their beard conditioner, also unscented. So they can get a feel for the products without having to worry about liking a scent or disliking the scent. I recommend everybody, especially when they're starting, using beard wash every day, and then try following with conditioner every other day, unless you have a stubble beard. Then let it grow a little bit till you can pinch and pull it, and then you're ready to go. This is all available, and my affiliate discount code, as always, fully transparent, you guys, is DanC10. You can save on top of that. When this video drops, you have plenty of time to be able to order and get this in time for Father's Day. I just think it's just done very well. Easy to package. We know that guys can be difficult to shop for. They don't ask for things. They don't make a big deal about stuff. That's something that most guys are going to get, and they're going to be pretty excited about it. And if they are brand new, have them check out the Beard Octane website. They have aspects on that site such as find a barber that is recommended by users, and they can go maintain the beard if they're too scared to trim it themselves. They also have a good section of information. They've got a great About Us page and so many other things to explore there. But I just really believe that this is a great kit. I travel the country with Beard Octane and I educate at these beard barber expos where barbers are learning how to care for beards. Well, Beard Octane also has a booth where they sell products. This is easily the easiest product that we sell there. And again, I'm not an employee. I'm not an owner of Beard Octane. I just love working with them and having opportunities with them. The ladies love purchasing these. They just kind of make sense to them. And then the fellas that are just getting started, it can be kind of overwhelming, right? Wash from this company, butter from this company. Do I need this product? Do I need that product? Just make it simple. You hand them this. It's got the instructions. It breaks it down. Wonderful way to get started, you guys. On top of that, of course, they got a whole catalog of products that you can look through. If it's someone that's a little bit more advanced and you know they like more stuff, don't forget about Beard Octane. They're really doing this. They've been doing it for a long time now. They're coming up on year 8 this summer, which will be right around Father's Day, if I'm not mistaken, for their 8th anniversary. Keep growing. They keep doing it the right way. Absolutely love it, you guys. down below experiences with Beard Octane. Truly, has anybody watching received this starter kit? And can you speak your thoughts on it? And then do you have any questions? Do you have any thoughts? Anything at all, you guys? The comment section's open. A future happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Thank you guys for all the love and all the just support of this channel. I am Dancy Bearded, and I hope that you guys stay bearded and stay positive.